Hello, hello, hello. What ho! Welcome back to another exciting adventure of The Plain Truth. I'm your host, Travis Finley, on the Ubercast. I was just messing around with Monica ChatGPT on Chrome, Google Chrome. So, two questions I asked. What conditions must exist for a mirage to be seen? Okay? Like I was very specific with my question, right? What conditions must exist for a mirage to be seen? A mirage is an optical illusion caused by the bending of light rays. It typically occurs when there is a significant change in temperature. Oops, sorry. It typically occurs when there is a significant change in temperature between two adjacent air masses, such as like just maybe like this. Not such as. It either is or isn't. Such as hot air rising from a road surface on a sunny day. Okay? You have a hot surface, and then you have air rising off the surface. So where's the change significantly in temperature there? You know what I mean? Like, there's not enough information here. Not only that, but it doesn't say what condition. It doesn't have to say hot air. It shouldn't say hot air. Okay? It should talk about maybe a temperature differential. This change, what change? What change? This change in temperature causes the light rays to bend, creating a distorted image of the object being viewed. The mirage effect is most commonly seen in deserts or over bodies of water, where there is a large temperature difference between the ground and the air above it. How large is large? And what's the area of that differential? Okay, what is the surface? This is the second question. What is the surface upon which a mirage occurs? A mirage can occur on any surface where there is a significant difference in temperature between the air and the surface. First of all, that's not part of the answer to my question. That has nothing to do with my question. However, mirages are most commonly observed on flat, horizontal surfaces such as roads, deserts, or bodies of water. This is ChatGPT Monica confirming that we do not live, nor do we see mirages on a curved surface. It happens on a flat, horizontal surface. Okay, now this is just me talking right now for a moment, okay? Horizontal is conceptual. Flat is conceptual. Level is more objective, I think, than saying horizontal or flat. But hear me out, okay? If you're going to take an eyesight observation, whether or not it's with a theodolite or whether or not it's with a sextant or whatever it is you want to measure distance and elevation, okay? That horizontal line that you extend out until you get to where you want to have your vertical, that's conceptual. So the Earth isn't horizontal. The Earth isn't flat. But the Earth is also not curved. Editing Travis here, I want to show you an example of mirage at sea or a really, really, really large body of water like Lake Michigan, which is this image here from Milwaukee. So we're looking over an extended horizontal reference frame, okay? That water's not flat, but it is horizontal. It is level, okay? Whatever boat comes across this boat's area, they are level to one another. But they can't be level to one another on a globe. It's impossible. They can't, okay? So, what I'm going to try to say right now is this. Not only did the ChatGPT inadvertently give us the flat Earth, but it also leads us to consider this. This mirage that we see here on the boat, you see the doubled inverted image below the physical target, that is a mirage. The reason why you don't see any other mirages to the left or to the right of this boat is because there aren't any objects except for the sky to be mirrored. Now, what I need you to think about is this. That same area that the boat is miraged, that same area, that small sliver that exists above the waterline, extends to the left and to the right as a mirage, except to the left and the right of the boat is the sky. So that image that you see directly above the water is not the sky, but a mirage, which means that the limit to this water, the reason why you can't see any more water at this point beyond this point, is not because that's Earth curve, it's because that's a mirage. And the mirage is disappearing or vanishing the surface that's below it. I forgot to make the point that I wanted to make. My point was, take that boat away and you don't see anything but sky and water. But you don't know there's an inferior mirage there. And then you don't know the inferior mirage is creating the limit to the water. That might lead you to make an incorrect conclusion about the cause for the limit to the water, don't you think? So then you just have topography all the way everywhere you go. But you never have curvature. So I'm just trying to suggest to you that inadvertently, we have the truth revealed to us that mirages do not occur over curved surfaces. They require a flat, horizontal surface, such as a road, desert, or bodies of water, which we all know undulate with crests and troughs, however acute or obtuse. But mirages only occur in certain conditions. One of those conditions is distance over an extended surface. Anyway, so we just have this inadvertent admission that that in order for mirages to occur, and mirages like superior mirages are evidence in science for the curvature of the Earth, because the boat typically is said to be beyond the horizon where you can't see it, and therefore it is miraged up. Okay? So in order for that mirage to happen, you have to have not curvature, but horizontal, flat, extended plane. Thanks, Monica. Welcome to Flat Earth.